Hello, welcome to Ekua's cooking show! Yeah! Today we have a special treat that we're going to be cooking today. Want to know what it is? I'll give you a hint. It comes from a country that's in Africa. Here's its flag. Do you know what country that is? It's South Africa. Did you guess it right? Today we'll be making Melktert. So the first thing that we need is our bowl. Ooh, what are you making? Pancakes, brownies, or dark chocolate cake? Can I lick the spoon? Brother, it's my little sister, Akos. Akos, please be careful. I'm doing my cooking show. I'm making Melktert from South Africa. It's a milk tart. Sweet, creamy, and delicious. Sounds fancy. But where's the chocolate? Not everything has chocolate, Akos. Huh? Not everything has chocolate? That's a crime. Okay, I just have to mix some milk, sugar, eggs, and cinnamon, then pour it into the crust. Cinnamon? Say no more. I've got this! Akos, that's too much! And now it's extra cinnamony. Okay, maybe I can fix this. Hand me the sugar, but just a little. A little? You mean like... Akos, that's too much. You're making cinnamon soup. Oh, that actually sounds kind of good. Okay, let's just put it in the oven and hopefully it turns into a tart. Or we just eat it now. Akos, get back here! Well, thanks for tuning in, friends. Sorry we couldn't make the dessert. Next time I have to wait till Akos takes a nap.